Happy holidays, everyone. Corporate America is coming to kill you for the holidays. Here, Starbucks. Who doesn't love Starbucks? But the question is, does it love you back? And what people think is healthy. So Starbucks has a new iced sugar cookie almond milk latte, dairy-free, but it has 25 grams of sugar. Why? Because they don't love you. And when you actually look at the ingredients, oh my goodness. Sugar. Filtered water, well, that's good for you. Almonds, awesome. Sugar. Calcium carbonate, not the end of the world. Water, brewed espresso, 170 milligrams of caffeine. Whoa, hi, hello, happiness. But the problem with caffeine, constricts blood flow to the brain, it brings you up and then drops you like a rock. Sugar cookie flavored syrup, what does that mean? You know it's artificially flavored and it has sugar. Red and green sprinkled toppings, sugar. Look at the ingredients. Sugar, powdered sugar, cornstarch, natural flavors. They don't tell you what those are. Better yet, get unsweetened almond milk, put a little chocolate flavored stevia, a little bit of organic cocoa powder, hot chocolate, low calorie, tastes great, is not gonna mess up your brain. The holidays ruin people. You don't wanna celebrate the birth of the baby Jesus by hurting you. How does that make sense?